Hello everyone, this is Dr. J and welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas. I love this time of year. I hope you do too. What a great time to get together and celebrate. I have this first patient, which she presented to me, as you can see on the outside part of her skin, the outside part of her ear, that there's a lot of eczema and skin breakdown, a little bit of redness, dryness, crusting. That can lead to a lot of ear problems as well. Eczema on the outer part of the ear, the auricle or the outer portion of the ear can translate into, hey, I've got some problems in the ear canal as well. And because of the dryness and itchiness she was having, she also Q-tipped a lot. And you can see that this is her right ear, that she pushed the skin and the wax and actually folded it back on top of itself. Deep into the ear canal and completely occluded the ear. So we started with some Colace, and we're just going to use the Fraser suction to completely debulk and clean out the ear canals here. And she's got fairly big chunks that were pushed all the way back into the anterior sulcus, and you'll be able to see that here in just a moment. But while we're watching this, I want to tell you a little story. My son, if you're a long-standing fan or subscribe to the channel, you'll notice one of my earlier videos, I cleaned my 6-year-old son's ears. And it was a little comical, and it was quite fun, but he held still, and he held still enough for me to clean out his ear canal. Well, now that boy is 10. Well, I can't believe that was 4 years ago. Crazy. Well, he's 10 now, and at church that we attend every Sunday, they went and talked to the children and said, would you like you and your family to sing for our Christmas holiday program? Without us parents being aware, he signed us up to sing for the Christmas holiday program. In other words, we stand up, our family, in front of the whole congregation, and we sing a Christmas song. And my wife, being the wonderful person that she is, said, well, then let's do it. And we're not the type of family that gets up and sings in front of people on a regular basis. That's just not who we are. But we decided as a family, you know what, we're going to support him. He was so excited to be able to do this for the Christmas program. So we did. We got together and we practiced, and I have one daughter that plays the piano beautifully. She played the piano, and me and the rest of the kids were able to figure out what parts we sang best. Obviously, I sang bass. And I believe my wife sings alto, and my other daughter sang soprano. And then my son, my older son, he's 18 now, he sang tenor. So it worked out. We sang God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen, which is a great Christmas song. And we made it work. We're nowhere near professional. But we survived it, and we were able to get that accomplished. So I'm proud of my son for signing up. And but next time he should probably talk to us first before he volunteers us, I guess. So we've moved on to the patient's other ear, and her ears were fairly identical in that she completely impacted her ear canals with the Q-tips, folding the skin off of the ear canal that was trying to slough out. She tucked it back into the ear canal and all the earwax that went with it, and completely blocked her ear all the way into the anterior sulcus. And here we're about to get into the left anterior sulcus. And if you notice if you want to rewind just a little bit and watch that part again when we enter the left ear, you could also see as a hint of what you might see in the ear canal is she had dryness and itchiness and redness of the outer part of her ear. So here's another case of Q-tip abuse. So what's very obvious with this cerumen impaction is that it is very dry, very hard, and it is loaded with cotton fibers from the cotton buds, from the Q-tips, depending on where you're from, however you term that cotton-tipped device that we use sometimes to clean these little tight crevices. The fibers kind of get molded into the earwax as it dries, and it becomes very hard, and sometimes they stick together by these fibers, much like they would make adobe bricks, which is where they take clay and straw and mix it all together, and even if the clay would break, the straw would still tend to hold those things together. It's kind of the same thing. It's like an adobe brick. Now, Q-tipping is a very common thing, and a lot of people do that. Some people do it their whole lives and never have a problem. But in the people and for the people that it does cause problems, then we have to advise them this probably isn't the best for you to do this, or at least not this frequently, not this deep, not this hard. However you figure it out for that patient, you figure out their regimen and maybe change up the regimen, add some topical drops instead, and usually those symptoms go away. Like people who have eczema, it's dry and it's itchy and they want to scratch it. Topical oil, topical lotions, topical steroids, all those things can work towards moisturizing the ear, which counteracts the dryness that you get from eczema. And then the eczema will improve, the itchiness will improve. And then if it's really bad, I typically will send these patients to a dermatologist where they can get some topical prescription grade medications that work even better for that type of scenario. And I feel dermatologists are best suited for that, or at least that level of medication administration. This is a bonus plug at the end. It's a big plug, and luckily it comes out fairly easily. What I'm doing here is just freeing it up from the cutaneous or keratinaceous attachments or the skin attachments. Once I've broken those, we administer some topical Colace. Colace is nothing fancy. It's just a very light, a very thin lubricant. And that's what it does. It's a lubricant. It helps decrease the surface tension. And because it's so light and not a real heavy and thick lubricant, it works very well in the ear. And so now this big plug will just slide out. And there's a little bit there, but then this big plug will come out. Stay tuned. This is a nice big bulky one. And there it comes. As we go back in the ear, everything looks great. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Have a great New Year. We'll see you on the next video.